We there yourself for VYBZ Kartel, me a talk straight. Me not there yourself for some white boy and a rasta boy. You're a bad man, me not like people, my friend. Skaata behavior. Joe behavior about buckle yourself. We there for VYBZ Kartel, we not there for Uno. Pussy.
I wonder why they don't want to let me in the venue. I want to bomb buckle like this. Hey, unruly winner. Pull up. Yo, Skaata, suck your mother, youth. If I never caught you, I'm going to yard. When I couldn't have me a chronic out the door for 3 hours. I want me couldn't have one down the native them. No one do that to we, youth.
Watch out now, what I go on, my viewers, my subs. Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to everyone. Hope 2024 did treat you good. And also 2025 I got treat you very much better. And I mean, Freedom Street is in the books, ladies and gentlemen, you see me? I still a stream it right now. You see me? I just take a break for this. Highlight some performances. You get to me and say, and the performances when I go highlight right now, are Chronicler and Popcaan, the two St. Thomas native. With this being such a big concert, you know, some turn off go on, but these artists are our biggest superstar. You get to me and say, Popcaan, Chronicler, Joe and Skaata should have never make something happen like this. So if I had the artists them out, I wait for come on stage for 3 hours. And you see me and say, no, I want to let them in the venue. You know what I mean? And it is said that they're booked, you see me, to perform. So we don't know what going on there, so, you see me? But we just highlight the performances. When the concert finish, we're going to some updates. Yes, man. So here is Chronicler and Popcaan performances. You see me? Freedom Street. Watch out now.
Pussy feel brand new. What a style it? What am I doing now, so? No! Pull up. Shut up. Well, on them, I call up. One of my son them. All right, play the ready. Well, if I son me off, you know. Big up Black Rider, you couldn't make it.
Yo, I wonder why they don't want to let me in the venue. I want to bomb buckle like this. Hey, unruly winner. Pull up. Yo, Skaata, suck your mother, youth. If I never caught you, I'm going to yard. When I couldn't have me a chronic out the door for 3 hours. I want me couldn't have one down the native them. No one do that to we, youth. 3 hours, no have out the front. It's a lifestyle moment regardless. Big up the world, boss. The girl is there when they say, oh, yoy. Yeah. Anyway, they kill it, them top girl want to give me the contact. Hey, tell some boy. The girl is there when they go. Sonny are in there. More girl see me and there. No, funny blood in the DNA. Over your so. Go. I am way on. Come on, pretty girl. The girl is there. Go on so. Boy, one more time, girl me on. Hold up. The St. Thomas native there. Well, one lad there. My father.
Yeah, they look fry.
You know now? My Chronicler. Lupin.
Oh.
You know the thing going on, big up yourself, Kartel.
Baba.
One bomb buckler away, it's spell hear me and tell me that.
We die in the young girl on fire. Yeah, little from the sun, girl, I get wired. Whoa, you girl see me outside, I'm a phone them dialing. Yeah, rich lifestyle. I lose a bad man, then go so. Bad man, then when the blast off. Me, I walk with a clip way and on here. Who see them never want man. Every record, hands up. Zero me a come from.
No.
Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. I know the me a come from.
All our respect, Kartel, but a blank in I bomb buckler place right now. Sure. And me say St. Thomas native, look for greatness. Street not safety, no shake if it. Them hate with them lady have whip on them brain and slaves with. Change up with Bible Mafia can't waste it. You feel proud of the changes. Pop it up period and no nothing do. A forward from slavery and ruling bravery. One of them, sure, them not learn. Can't see kill apart. Rifle will live up like star we no converse. Now fall we a get up power.
Alright, see that partner with me now. Anybody when know me for real, knows him. Remember when the clothes never real, yet still, me never stole anything. I'm a band, great, cartel a number one. From hotel, my bank book full of million. They can't understand. The people that run us, go. I know them afraid for talk. Popcaan, I feel like evil and he never rap. All who have clean out, we have run them so. Yeah, me see them are dirty. Pull up. You want now already know.
No boy, I can't do sniper.
Level it there. Stop it now. Stop it now. Everybody know me respect Popcaan on a different level. Respect VYBZ Kartel. Why have a little dog named Sean Chamberlain? I don't know Sean Storm. I'm a dog. All who have a real friend in our Buckler Stadium bust a blank in here right now. A loyalty we are dealing with. We not deal with no fuckery. Watch you now.
No boy,
Don't play the rhythm yet. We there for VYBZ Kartel, me a talk straight. Me not there for some white boy and a rasta boy. Me a bad man, me not like people, my friend. Skaata behavior. Joe behavior about buckle yourself. We there for VYBZ Kartel, we not there for Uno. Pussy. Play me with him.
no boy, I can't do sniper. I'm in the damage.
How I do expel, man? We not no bum buckle ourselves. You know.
Yeah, they know my friend.
All who respect our boss in our blood class stadium. Let me see some signal. Joe. Who can this my dog? Make talk out your glass. Barrel no empty so we not make no nice glass. Suck your mother. What go on now? Joe. A 15 and Jacob. Who can lead back? Nothing can save you. Fire lady dark room where you see. Hey, Kartel. I could have 10 of them. Right from a fire for me. One bag of talk and level it there. We respect every artist, but we not like nobody a bomb buckler. I like corrupt people them in a stadium, level it there. Watch his style now. I me say me nah, just nobody. Wait no man. Level it there. We don't want to read him. I'm glad to live to see VYBZ Kartel come out in a real life. All who glad to them see Kartel with them two eye a road, put up one in a year so. The dog said there's a lot of things we can't get back on the same time. I want to sing that one in a cappella. Sure. I saw this scheme set me say 16 and no reach 15 yet. Crime scene and never no movie I make. Real blood there's some around flesh. And me see dog and cat turn rat, me see man a yours. Me see family stop, family lungs puncher. Me see my love gone and guess what? Level, lose enough things. Now get it back, but feel empty. Me heart heavy, daddy want know if me strap, me can't tell him that. The abnormal Glock of fire regular. We not search for love, it's already gone. You know what the thing, man, ready up, man. Hey, not nice, big up your bum buckler self. Ask the building, we bought from Street Vibes Thursday. Girl, they say she feel. The Glock come with kit and on the first yet. Hey, not nice. We are bought from Clarks and Bally Hide or the shirt them. Call on the phone, but call your girlfriend. And my jeans would chop off no goat head. Hey, stadium, Chobon Buckler. So we fuck up it weekend. A million and a PJ's friend. All who enjoy themselves in a stadium say one law. All who not like we go suck with the mama barley. Ask the building we bought from Street Vibes Thursday. Say she feel with her, she not marry me. He Glock up with kitten on the first yet. Hey, stadium, we are bought from Clarks and Bally Hide or the shirt them. Call on the phone but call your girlfriend. And my jeans foot chop off no goat head. Joe, so we fuck up the weekend. A million and a PG's friend. Tell a girl that we love in neatness. Publicly cock it up and a 30 cheated. So we burn up the weekend. When them say camera there everywhere, watch me know. You know me have a one dance. Watch his time.
Yeah, what now? Tell them, open at the club, we go, get it there at the pan. Say to me, they want wine up, so you know, here if a boyfriend go, y'all a wine fast and in a people in a party and do this. Everybody over there, so jump, 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 jump. Sweet pie. Pull it. Say hot style. Say what you? You know now.
Watch his style on the stadium.
Capstar
A big belly man around the 2025. You know, see a cartel of belly. Watch out now. One make them vex. Two we no make friend of money we make. Gone uptown with a little need preps. Gun pan belly the merit and never left. Government badness. Go tell them me no left my dog when me roll out at the markets. Top rough millions they beside. What go on now? I must see through we are put them. We are there now, left it there. Them says that show what we know for bring gun, you know. Me look on the security, the man say, watch out now. That boss I want tricky boy, you can't tell me about no bring no gun. We don't have to skill. Me squeegee with me gun pass anybody. So, bro, I'm a big... Hey. Hey. Okay. Where girl them they will love bad man in a stadium? Me not like informer girl.
Yo, Sam.
As far as me see it, if you use your mouth too much, you can't go there. Where bad girl them there now? Level. Me puff my weed. Me no fuck girl we fuck police. Tell the alphabet, she no trust up. Girl, yeah, dance, me gun no sleep. Hey, stadium. Dogs no weak, one no call me up, so love fi do it. Good that I do no bother try. And when me tell her, say, don't fall for me. Then go cry to your friend when you can't see me. And if you listen to me song, you know, Mama don't just know the way not talkative. Because what? Silent river run. Stop hearing him, the bro God. All who proud of themselves, for live for see 2025. What's a blank in our ear right now? VYBZ Kartel. A man has a respect. Popcaan. A man has a respect. All who not like we go suck no matter again. Nobody no come round you for help and me reach pan a level where me proud of me. Must I anything no soda, my friend. Can't say prayer no real. Me know Jammy. Days me could fight so when it look easy. And bad people no get no freely. Me remember when me walk and them see me. Sorry say 3-wheel bike. Them office see greatness dog. We no fear this. Hey, love you know, man. Rascal, more with him round there. But them say more with him round there. Watch ya now. The badness upgrade long time. And me every jeans I carry the glass. All who now wear no $5,000 boat in a stadium. Watch his style now. Joe, everywhere me go there. Me bring the matic in a couple brutes feet on the ground. There's no umbrella, no matter feel me. Hey, Kartel. A rich badness, 30 grand boat from big robbery. Extend doors and big fan clip. GLE men, help me sing it out. Badness. Stop hearing him, bro, God. Stop hearing him, man. Stop him, buckler with him, man. As we say, bro, God, we're glad to see that area, because enough youth we see drop out. Big up the youth when I'm now, I don't know him. Big up Bosshead, I don't know them. You see me, I say, but it fuck up to see how the youth them a drop out. You see me I deal with. Me have a prayer last year when me are bringing it this year. You know I go? And me say, Lord, me I beg you this. Please don't make them catch me with no empty clip. Please don't make them catch me with nothing wasting. Show me who genuine. Because I'm a paranoid to everything. Long time me no sleep. And me say, Lord, me I beg you. Cover me. Can't let me rubber grip. Can't find love a bit. Can't trust nobody. The rough road, yeah, just with some way. Help me sing it out. Me not left me dog, yeah. Oh, no, say, man. Rifle, no, man. Yo.
Yes, sir, man. Very good show so far. As I say, very good performances from Popcaan and also Chronicler. You know what I mean, people? And yeah, the artists held them the chip, but you must can understand. The artists them, you know what I mean? Imagine getting dressed, as I say, going to a concert that you're booked for, you see me? And you know them have you outside our wait for 3 hours. You see me I say? 2 superstar like Chronicler and also Popcaan. You know what I mean? And the 2 person them or the artist them I say responsible for that are the promoter, Joe, and Skaata, that's a part of the team, a big part of it. You see me I say? And him say Chronicler and also Popcaan was at the rehearsal. So, you see me? I feel like them dropped the ball upon that. You see me I say? But all in all, a good show so far. You see me I say? People still are streaming it up till now. You get to me I say people, get in the comment box, tell me what you think. More performances will come later on with some more updates. You see me I say? Leave a like, leave a comment. Yes, man. Subscribe, share. Right, that's a said way. Banging, watch you now.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing Watch You Know! The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's Watch You Know, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! Watch You Know.